Okay, guys, I have good news.
What is it, Dad?
We have a other newborn. Since yesterday, we got Grooky, and here is Sobble.
Sobble is nasty.
I agree.
Scorbunny and Grooky. If you call Sobble nasty, you're grounded till Skibidi Toilet 75 comes out.
Hello.
Sobble is nasty, he is poop. Sobble is nasty, he is poop. Sobble is nasty, he is poop. Sobble is nasty, he is poop.
Strike one for you both.
Also acorbunny and Grooky is nasty. Also acorbunny and Grooky is nasty.
Congratulations, Riolu.
Oh, you know what?
Riolu is grounded for 100 billion years. Riolu is grounded for 100 billion years. Riolu always pick his nose because he is nasty. Riolu always pick his nose because he is nasty. Riolu keeps on behaving. I hope he misbehaves. Because I will be on his roof. La 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 la, Riolu is nasty. Oh, Riolu is nasty. I will look him out to put eyes. Maybe 100 salt so he can pass out.
No, 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 no. Help me, Dad.
Oh, God.
Yes, 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 finally Riolu passed out. Hey ha ha ha.
Riolu is stinky.
Riolu is poop because he always touches his butt cheeks that he can wipe.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh, you know what, Scorbunny and Grooky? You both got your third strike. 2 more than you're grounded.
I have an idea. I will ask Riolu's dad to use the bathroom and prank him by pulling the fire alarm. Hey ha ha ha. Grooky,
What is it, Scorbunny?
I have an idea. I should ask Lucario to use the bathroom and pull the fire alarm.
Wow, that is so funny.
Yeah, right. I will play FNF. I love this game.
No, Scorbunny, you're still grounded. Then if you're grounded again, you're grounded till Skibidi Toilet 75 comes out. Got it?
Got it.
That's my boy.
Lucario, I really need to pee so bad. Can I go use the
Sure.
bathroom? Now it's my chance.
Scorbunny, how dare you pull the fire alarm at the hospital? You know that you can only pull the fire alarm if there's a fire. Go into your room right now.
WA